Android software development is the process by which new applications are created for devices running the Android operating system. Google states that, Android apps can be written using Kotlin, Java, and C++ languages using the Android Software Development Kit, while using other languages is also possible. All non-JVM languages, such as Go, need the help of JVM language code, that may be supplied by tools, likely with restricted API support. Some languages, programming tools allow cross-platform app support, i.e. for both Android and iOS. Third-party tools, development environments and language support have also continued to evolve and expand since the initial SDK was released in 2008. In addition, with major business entities like Walmart, Amazon, Bank of America etc. eyeing to engage and sell through mobiles, mobile application development is witnessing a transformation.